Here's how to download and install apps on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To download apps, you need an Apple ID and an internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right. Type the app name in the search bar and tap Search. Make sure you select the official app by checking the app name, icon, and developer. Tap Get or the download icon. You may need to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will download and install automatically. You'll see it appear on your home screen or in the app library. Tap Open or tap the app icon to start using it. If an app won't download, check your internet connection, available storage, and make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. You can update or delete apps anytime from the App Store or by pressing and holding the app icon. And that's it. That's how you download and install apps on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.